This place looks really nice.
Let's sit near the window. It looks peaceful.
Yes, that's perfect.
Good evening. Would you like the menu?
They have pasta, burgers, and grilled chicken.
Burgers. Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Okay, we'll have 2 grilled chicken plates.
Would you like drinks?
Yes, 2 fresh lemon juices, please.
Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this tastes amazing.
I know, right?
Right.
Try the sauce with it.
Ordering food in English is easy, right?
Yes. I just need to speak slowly.
Can we have the bill, please?
Here is your bill. Verlai, take your time.
Thank you for the great service.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.